what I plan to do today is to test some unoriginal propellers on the Mini 5 Pro to see if it's more steady doing CourseLock Hyperlapse. As you see, these propellers have no lock, just runs freely. So I compare them to the original ones and see what's happening. I'll do some sound recording to see what the difference in sound from the propellers are. But first I'll launch the drone to get it up in the air. And as you see, I can go even closer. Not too bad actually. Now I have swapped propellers, and as you see, it's the kind that locks. That's the original ones. So I'll take off, and I will also check the sound on this one. Okay. Yeah, even closer. Yeah, that was about the distance I had last time. It actually seems like it's slightly less noisy.